Umeke Ka'eo is a Hawaiian educational piko in Keaukaha. It is an ohana-based educational refuge that is open, experiential, and cultural. It is a place where keiki, together with ohana and community, build their spiritual, physical, and intellectual Hawaiian foundation through the Hawaiian language. This foundation supports a Hawaiian worldview and the pursuit of social and academic excellence. Located on Hawaiian homelands in Keaukaha community of Hilo on Hawaii Island, Umeke Ka'eo has been serving the community since 2001. While functioning independently, the charter school works with and shares a campus with Keaukaha Elementary School and serves keiki in grades K through 8 and their ohana. Umeke Ka'eo is one of 17 Hawaiian-focused public charter schools supported by Kamehameha School's Ho'olako Like program. To learn more, visit ksbe.edu/beyond our campuses.